Welcome to TechPress. Today we're going to be diving into comprehensive tutorial on how to use Calendly into the 2023. Whether you are scheduling meetings, appointments, or managing events, Calendly streamline the process, making it hassle-free. Let's explore how to set up and optimize Calendly for your schedule needs to get ready to organize your time more effectively. Introduction to Calendly. Now, Calendly is a powerful schedule tool that simplifies setting up meetings, eliminates the back and forth emails, and helps you manage your time efficiently. It is absolutely great for professionals, educators, consultants, and anyone who needs to manage appointment regularly. So let's start by setting up your Calendly account. Alright, so to get started guys, create a Calendly account. You can visit the Calendly website here and sign up. You can use your email, conventionally sign up with Google or a Microsoft account. Once you sign it up, you'll be taken to your Calendly dashboard. So let's just create our Calendly URL. The time zone of the country you're currently living, it is really important to do that. And before you check it out, let's go into continue and we can set up my availability of my available hours. Let's say, for example, that from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Available days only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and let's go into continue. Which that brings us into connecting your calendar. The first step is to connect your calendar. Calendly integrates with most calendar services like Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud. So as you can see to the right part, you can see your calendar is connected. And now I'm going to go into create an event type and booking an event with yourself. Now this integration prevents double booking by only allowing appointments where you actually are available. Next, let's create your event type. Click on the new event type and choose between one-on-one or group event. One-on-one is for individual meetings, and while the group is for workshop and some classes. So in this case, let's go for event name. You can choose the name of the color. You can change the color here. And then let's go for consultant. Duration 30 minutes. Location, let's go for Zoom. And lastly, you can hit into continue. Next part, customizing the availability. Now, customize your availability for each event type. You can set specific days and times you're available to meet. This helps maintaining a balanced schedule. As we just did before, here you can add your own description. Here's the host and the invites. Schedule the settings, for example, the available hours, the events limit, if there's a minimum notice, daily limit, additional options, and start time increment. You can add communications maybe later. Now, personalizing your calendar link. Calendly provides a personalized link for your events type. You can share this link directly with others or embed it into your actual website. So I can choose to add times to the email or add my own website to add it directly into my calendar. This makes it easy for clients or colleagues to see your availability and book a actual slot. And now just a few advanced features. Explore the calendar advanced section like automated emails or text emails and integrating with video conferences tools like Zoom. So you can see that we have email reminder to the invite. We can send thank you an email. We can have the text booking confirmation to the host. We have the text reminder to the host, an email to own your feedback survey. So all this workflow is going to be helping us to ensure you're well prepared for each appointment and enhance the overall experience. Nothing is better that people received just a confirmation into their phone number so they can have an appointment or schedule already been added. For example, workflow name, which event, let's say this one. 1 hour after the event ends, I do have this invitation to like a feedback of how it's going to be looking, how was the appointment and all of that. So this is how guys we can use Calendly. You of course have the routing and you have the analytics to check out events that are your routing on the latest 30 days. You can choose your of course your filters. You can change your different event types into the upper side, and lastly you can check out the availability, integrations, administrator section, and the help center just in case you have any questions. So guys, that's your beginner's guide to using Calendly into the 2023. With this intuitive designing and robust feature, Calendly can transform how to schedule and manage appointments. If this tutorial guys helped you, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to TechPress If you have any tip or question about Calendly, you can share them into the comments below. Thank you once again for watching the video, and here's to more organized and efficient scheduling. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.